Someone that I can call on. They saying that we ain't gon' make it, well let's move on. Don't entertain these other niggas, you're the one I want. You and this money is the only thing I'm for.
What's Mob and MTMOBB? It's your boy Tim.
And it's your girl Money.
And we're back with another banger.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to join the mob and tap that bell.
Period. Because we bringing bangers back to back. You dig.
So,
with that being said, let's get it, let go.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Yum. I understand. Y'all understand. Y'all were looking like, what, we got this right here. We gonna talk to y'all. You know, she gonna talk to you. And I'm finna eat while she talking. And she gonna eat while I'm talking.
I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. Because I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But I wash my hands out. But, ew. What is it? Cheese pizza, breadstick, and barbecue wings. Bruh.
My dang, man.
All that.
Well, our hands too clean. We gotta let these things air dry. Y'all know when y'all put like a bunch of hand sanitizer on your hand and it still be wet. You know what I'm talking about?
You gonna make the sticky move.
Y'all hold on, we gotta let our hands air dry for about 10 seconds.
Yes, you. Oh. You say you.
Oh yeah. Before we chow down though, Grace. All mine. I told her the food good. Yeah, it look good. Yeah, it's good.
Oh no.
Hey.
We been, huh? Yeah, it's good, ain't it? Wow. We been gone for a minute. Hey, Lala, where y'all been? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay, so I bet y'all like, where y'all been? We been, it's so much stuff been going on, from me being sick to
Hell nah, boy. You can't do no mukbang show it while you eating. She don't know what the fuck to talk about.
I do. I was trying to chew to so you made me forget what I was gonna say. I had it.
Y'all, I'll talk now.
No, to personal life stuff. Okay, you got it.
I'm dead, y'all. But anywho, we're gonna start out. Money, she don't want to talk about her pregnancy. Like, we talking about that, baby. Like 7 months, dog. But Money has actually, the one reason we really ain't been on here because Money actually, she actually been experiencing like, basically she trying to come out. The baby's trying to come out. She trying to just come out that thing early, you know.
Right.
She trying to make her way out that thing. Like,
I had my what appointment it was? My 28-week checkup, and she was already head down.
but she cannot talk and eat, bro. I didn't take the breadstick away from her. I'm film because she not gonna film. But
I'm just hungry.
Money, you gotta talk and eat to him. That's the thing.
I'm talking.
You ain't talking.
I'm talking.
Yeah, and bite.
I got time.
They don't know what the fuck you saying. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The fuck you talking to me or the camera?
No, cause I'm like, no. I'm telling you, I'm talking. And you just talking.
Hey, but like I was saying though, cause she don't know what she talking about. Basically the baby trying to come out. Y'all don't know her name yet, but she trying to come out.
Age.
I'm talking about her full name, her on the birth certificate. You did, but You know, like I said, you know, Monee's 7 months now. She's 30 weeks. The baby's due in December 24th,
Yeah,
Christmas Eve. We're hoping that she actually comes before
that.
like, way before.
Not way before.
Not way before, but like
I
beginning
hope she
of
comes
December.
in December. I was finna say, I hope she come in December.
Late November.
Late November.
You know.
Late November, early December, mid December. It doesn't matter. I just want to be home for the holiday. Well, yeah, for the holiday. Christmas.
And yeah, that's been a lot of, you know. And then she's also been dealing with fatigue, and for some reason I've been dealing with fatigue. I don't understand.
We both been tired.
Pain in our back. Every time she got a pain in her back, the next day it's like I got a pain in my back. And I'm talking about that joint be hurting, like, and then it just go away out the blue. I never knew that. I know folks used to say that, like, the father gets symptoms too.
I wish you could take the nausea.
Dang, you see, she's just wishing it on me.
No, I'm just saying, if I could pick, that'd be the one I choose.
Dang.
What?
I don't like being sick. I'd rather have pain.
Yeah, you're not right.
Cause pain is temporary.
Mm-mm.
You know, I'm dipping that in there.
Mm-mm. Let me see what that looks like.
Money.
Yeah, I like that.
She trying to steal my eating habits.
But no, okay, and then we got a lot of stuff coming up. We got like the baby shower,
That's in 3 weeks.
photo shoot,
You gonna do that after
4D,
the baby shower.
the 4D,
Ultrasound.
yeah. But it's like literally right after the baby shower, the photo shoot.
Mm-hmm. Then next week.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to see what else. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm just pregnancy is it's a lot. Like you go through a lot of changes. Your body goes through a lot of changes.
Right. Like, you get like big and bloated and fat and just literally like, bro, I be just have to leave the house just because I don't want to see one. Like, I forgot you do it right there. I was just playing, y'all, but she is very aggy. Like, that's another thing about a pregnant woman. They are very aggy. Whoever is close to them, they is aggy, bro. I'm talking about ask you for everything. Wake you up at 2 o'clock in the morning just to go get some grapes. Like, who want to peel grapes and put them in a bowl, wash them out, and I just was asleep. Like, mom, I'm just ready for it to be over with. I really am.
I mean,
Lock me in the closet.
ain't far away. It's really
Oh, we ain't got no fork.
no. Ain't far away. It's really close, if you ask me. I don't know.
Why you didn't go get it yourself?
I was talking about baby H arrival.
Oh.
You know about why I ain't gonna get it myself. Man, that heartburn be.
Oh yeah, but that's another thing. She got real bad.
She moving now, yeah.
She got what's up? Oh snap. Good.
Yeah, do y'all take these out before, or do y'all start eating the pizza then take it out? Cause I didn't even notice that was right there. All I seen was pizza.
I ain't noticed it
And
right
I grabbed
there.
it.
You know, one day I'm gonna.
What? How many pieces you ate?
Two.
I had more than you. Oh. I forgot about the cheese. I like that. Y'all put the grated cheese on y'all pizza? Yeah, I know. Drop in the comment section and let us know. Well, let me know because I want to know. Right. I like the little garbage sauce too. But that's pizza. No, this, what, Papa John's? Papa John's.
Walking is good.
You looking like you full as hell.
Right. Y'all, we spent like we on about so many clothes.
Oh yeah, we got so many videos coming. I ain't even finna name them. Y'all gonna see them. So once again, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can stay tuned. Let's tap that bell.
But we got so many clothes. Like every time we went to the store and we seen something, we'll be like, "Oh, we gotta go get this. We gotta get this one." Oh, we went to Carter's and we cashed out in Carter's.
Oh yeah, they had so many. They had sale first of all.
Yeah. Tangler
And then they
outlet.
had so many cute clothes. We gotta go back and get some more. Of them shirts.
Talking about them long sleeves.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, definitely. You can get about 3 more of them. 3 more packs of them. I mean, however it comes. She'll be good.
There's two type of people in the world. I don't know if y'all can see that.
What's the two type of people?
Huh.
What's the 2 type of people?
How?
Why don't wing good as hell, bro?
It's so good.
You got a bird.
Hmm.
You got a bird. Black folk be, when they real hungry, they don't say shit and just eat.
I'm gonna insert that, y'all. Move your hand.
Yeah, alright. That nigga right here just looking at them. Oh no, he actually look like he can go sleep.
Oh, Pete.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, these wings, but
If y'all voted, who y'all voted for? Who in the St. Louis here? Did y'all vote for? I just,
I ain't even gonna cap. I'm full. Alright. Y'all got my attention now. Y'all had my attention at first. It's not like I didn't have my attention. But I just was hungry. Y'all know I got it. I gotta eat.
I'm sorry I gotta add this in here, but adding in money was pulling out from where we stay at.
Oh yeah.
It's a real bad car accident happened like right down.
That song had me shaking. Like I was like, what the
Bruh.
like, what the freak?
She was on the phone with the police like, I don't know. I don't know. I just know
Cause
they were down the cliff.
I was not like that. I was not like that.
I'm nervous. It really got me shaky. Her ass was even driving, got her hands on the steering wheel shaking. I was like, mother, where the hell are you going?
Man, it was not like that. He is over exaggerating.
How was it now?
Okay, I played it too. I was just like, I'm gonna call 911. Ooh, I'm gonna call. First of all, I'm just waiting at the red light, you know, looking, trying to see when the light was gonna turn green. Ooh, okay, cool. I see a car that just, it looked like it was, I don't know how to explain.
That motherfucker make a loud noise.
Yeah, and then it hit the little median. Y'all know, like the little lane that be, I don't know, it had a little, what it called?
It divide the streets.
Yeah, and it's hard. It's hard as hell. It was something, okay. But they divided the street. They went through that, and then they rims started coming off, and they tires and stuff started coming off, and then they just went over. I don't know, it rolled into the ditch. And then the whole time I'm just like, oh my God. I didn't really see that part because I'm trying to figure out like what the hell they come from. So I'm looking at the car this way. I'm looking this way. I'm like, what? Because it was some more cars. So I had figured out that they had an accident. So I'm like, oh, it's an accident. So I'm trying to tell Timothy, but he's looking at that car. So he was the one who was doing all that.
Yeah, I want to say you were on the phone with them.
Okay, but anywho, so I called 911 because he said that that car had fell in the ditch because he was trying to get me to go that way. But it was too much traffic because cars was already stopped trying to see him, see what happened, like see if they was okay or whatever. So I'm calling 911. I'm like, you know, explaining what happened. I'm just talking to them, but the whole time shaking. I'm talking to them at the same time, so I was like, ooh, I'm shaking, like, I can't, like, oh my God, like, I can't believe that just happened.
She's talking about, like, oh my God.
I can't believe that just happened.
All I know is 1 minute we waiting at the red light, next minute I see a car speeding past, and then I heard a loud boom, boom, like something blew up. And then I seen the front of the car, and it was like total. Like,
and he kept hitting this Timothy. Go see if they alright. Go see if they alright. They flipped over. They flipped over.
For real, bro. Cause I'm like,
it's too much traffic right there. You want me to get stuck in traffic? We gotta go somewhere.
I ain't care, bro.
To be.
Like them folk, cause with the outfit they flip all the way over the cliff.
No, it's deep, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it's deep.
Luckily they stopped a little before, cause boy.
I don't know. You could tell they didn't have no control over their car. Like that junk was so scary.
Went over there calling the police, and
I appreciate it. I was like, I was doing that, and he right about that, and the steering wheel, but all that. He was just over exaggerating.
Man, I didn't know it was a multi-car accident at first though. Till I looked and seen.
Cause his attention was on that one car.
That's the only car I
was trying to figure out what the hell.
But that's the only car
I was trying to figure out why the hell that car just, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. He just care about this one little car. Nah, I'm trying to see everything. This boy,
But you gotta think about it though. We over here at a red light.
Wait, what's going on? No, because I didn't know something coming by me.
Look, we had a red light. And no, when you at a red light, what you waiting on?
The light to turn.
Exactly. So in our head, only thing we thinking about is this light turning green. And I'm at the light on my phone, goddamn. I'm looking up, still see the light. Next thing you know, goddamn car just rolled past, a black car just shoot. It was going so fast we didn't even know the front. Did you know the front was total until
yeah.
I ain't see it. I ain't see it. All I know goddamn, I heard that motherfucker going to the little side thing. That's the middle thing. Ew.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry, boy, I got braces.
That shit nasty.
Okay.
Yup,
Take my braces off.
I can do it. Anything I put my mind to. full. Right, girl, I ain't full. You crazy. Yeah, I be full.
But yeah.
What? I don't know.
What?
I'm sorry.
I heard it was okay.
Me too.
Yeah, it's like 2 hours later and I'm still like, ooh, I hope they okay. Ooh, I hope they okay. Like that jump was scary.
I hope
And I
it was
wasn't
okay.
even in the accident.
Right.
And it was scary.
Well, I'm looking at that blessed. I'm blessed, and they blessed for not flipping over the hill, boy. Cause then that would have been bad. I'm telling you. There probably was snakes down there and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Don't step snakes.
Me too.
Man, no hand, no tick.
All right, y'all. Like that.
Just hit it like that. Well, all right, y'all.
Yeah. Well, how you?
Why, y'all? Well, how that y'all like? We out. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah.
The fuck?
Okay, how you want to get? Well, that's all we got to. Babe, you tripping now? Come on. What don't fucking hit me? Fucking wrong with you? This water gonna be on you next. Come on.
And that is the hormones. Alright.
Okay. Wait. I mean, it's just like the regular one, man. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. I'm full. I can't eat no more.
That won't tell him. That's what I tell him. I was trying to figure it out.
If you want to, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm telling
Yo,
you.
I'm from Atlanta. You from goddamn Clay Cut. You here from
That's
Atlanta.
what I'm telling you. Come on.
No. I ain't see mom.
Okay.
We got a lot of more food to go. But that doesn't matter. We'll have it for tomorrow.
I'm gonna say I hope y'all didn't think I was finna eat all this before y'all yeah, I'm not eating all that. Cause
She ain't gonna get out. She's telling the truth.
I'm just saying, cause if I eat it, it's just gonna come right back up. So I don't see.
Yeah.
I gotta eat smaller portions.
Smaller portions, baby bites. Baby bites. You gotta take baby
Yeah,
bites.
I ate a lot of shit.
Yes, sir. Auntie Mama.
But that's it.
We pretty much don't put y'all up on game, up to date and
And where we
everything.
done been at.
You know,
Yeah.
this video,
From where we been.
y'all definitely should see this video up Monday night. Because today is Sunday, so y'all should see it tomorrow. I'm definitely going to post it. We're definitely going to post it. And after that, you're going to see another video. And after that, you're going to see another video. And after that, you're going to see another video. And then you know.
So y'all make sure y'all subscribe and don't forget to tap that video.
Because me and Money, what we doing?
Oh, shoot.
What we doing?
It's the baby, y'all, huh?
What we doing?
What you mean, what we doing?
Man, Money, what we doing?
I don't know what we doing, man.
Bring it back.
Oh, we banging bangers back to back. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying.
Okay.
But we enjoyed talking to you guys.
We miss y'all so much.
Much love.
So much.
Y'all know I'm finna come with all the pranks. I'm dead. Man,
I gotta get
100%.
him. Yeah, I
100% 10 I'm coming. She know.
He been
She
getting
know,
on my
you know.
nerves, so I want to get under that skin. And I better do that than a little porn night.
We ain't gonna hear all that talking. We want to see
I'm
what
just-
you.
I'm
We want to
for
see
real.
what
I'm
you
just
working
being for
with. We
real.
want to see how you coming, baby.
I could
We
prank
ain't-
you tonight. You will never know.
Oh, say that, baby. Hit me with it. I'm with it all, baby. Let go.
I could prank you tomorrow.
We love y'all to talk.
You will never know. I could prank you next week, next month, next year. You will never know. It's our prank. So with that being said, stay tuned.
We love you, MTMOBBB. Money.
Tim. No! Money.
Oh, I'm Tim.
Money
Tim
out.
Good.